Hey, want a beer?
Sure. You buy it around here?
Right in there.
Did not, his brother did.
What's the difference? It tastes good anyway.
Drink up, man. We got 2 6-packs to kill.
Hey, wait a minute. There's the cops.
Hey, who's that?
It's my dad's.
I like it. Can I wear it?
Hey, guys, we're all out of beer.
When are your parents getting home?
Well, they said they were taking my grandmother out for dinner.
Great. Now we can have a party. I'm over at Janice's.
Hey, look what I found.
Yeah, I'm eating dinner over here, okay? All right, bye.
Hey, why don't you call Terry and Joe?
Yeah, then we'll have a real party.
All right.
Yeah, hello, Terry?
And
yeah,
more beer.
This is mine.
2 6-packs.
Come on over. We're having a party at
Pizza!
3. Could you
James,
please
you
pizza?
too.
You know, thanks.
Eric, sign her up for the team.
Everett! Everett!
Huh?
Who's that?
My cousin.
What does he want?
I don't know.
Hey, Everett, come here. Come on, let's give it a time with truck over here. Get over here. Come on, Eric. Here, I got something for you. Little gift. Drink it up. Come on. That's the man. That's the man. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Give some for your girlfriend. That's the man. Way to be.
Hey, Kevin, how come you weren't at Uncle Joe's party the other night?
Oh, well, you see, me and him went to this concert, right? What are you laughing for, man? It was good.
That freaking guy. Was he wearing party hats at the party again?
Yeah.
Freaking fat guy wearing a party
Yeah,
hat.
he
What
had
do you
a
want to go
King's
there
hat
for?
Burger King.
Guy's 47 years old wearing Mickey Mouse hats. Freaking fat slut. Hey, what do you think if we go down to the quarry, huh? Anybody up for the
Yeah.
quarry? Come on, I drive my car. Get
Wanna
some
go,
stuff,
Chuck?
drink.
Wanna go? You wanna?